The Gabi sa Kabilin was started by Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated, or RAFI, way back in 2007. And this cultural event is now in its 17th year, imagine, with now 22 participating heritage sites in the cities of Cebu, Talisay, and Lapu-Lapu. So, Gabi sa Kabilin's purpose really is to celebrate the rich history of Cebu and promote the preservation of Cebuano culture and heritage through museum visits.
Gabi at Kabilin, magalindot, dili gayon sa Freedom Park. At yung itudlo sa mga kapatanunan, mga binuhasan sa mga taong nauna nato, nining atong syudad.
And we officially open Gabi sa Kabilin 2023!
Tagsa-tagsa ang answer. Lolo! Ay, hindi mo recitation.
The original one is very, very big.
So far in the museum that we've visited based on our title karon nga GSK 2023, which is Pagpanang Iya, it actually gave me kumbaga throwback on what really or asa gyud ta nagikan mga Subuanon. And so far as a first timer for GSK, it's 100% very entertaining and fulfilling.
Na-amaze gid ko kay it's about Chinese months. We really want to roam around and get to know this place and to really know the culture po.
Ang na-feel na po karon, even if this is the second time, I'm still as proud to be a Cebuano, especially that the guide told us that the blood of Lapu-Lapu is still running through our veins, and I'm a proud Cebuano.
Rafi's advocacy to strongly support GSK and Cebu as a whole in promoting pride of place to help Cebuanos understand, value, care, and enjoy their culture and heritage.